Wrap the recipient's head with a disposable towel and cover the neck. Remove facial makeup and excess sebum using a makeup remover. Evenly apply facial cleanser across the face. Gently wipe the face with a washcloth. Apply toner to the skin. Saturate cotton pads with cuticle softener and apply them to the forehead, nose, chin, and cheeks. Remove the cotton pads. Suction pen cleans impurities and excess sebum in the pores. Settings. Heating level 3. Time 3 minutes. Suction tip, hard silicone tip. Suction intensity set according to individual endurance. Water flow, moderate level. Place the handle on the recipient's forehead, holding it for 1 second. Gently rotate and lift the handle before proceeding to the next area. During the procedure, wipe the treated area with a cotton pad. Follow this technique for the forehead, nose, and chin. On the cheek, beginning at the chin, connect the applications on 2 to 3 spots in a line, repeating the process until you reach the temple. Repeat on the other side. Cleaning hand tools enhance cleansing effectiveness. Settings. Strength 1. Time 2 minutes. Pattern 1. Glide the handle from the chin toward the edge of the cheek, wiping the treated area with a cotton pad throughout the procedure. Repeat on the other side. Gently cleanse the face with a washcloth, then apply the toner. Oxygen pen, deep cleansing and hydrating. Settings. Time 5 minutes. Water flow, moderate level. Solution, saline. Move the pen from the chin toward the edge of the cheek, maintaining a distance of 5 to 8 centimeters from the skin. Repeat on the other side. Overclocking lifting enhances lift and firmness, diminishing the appearance of fine lines. Settings. Energy 2. Time 10 minutes. Gently apply eye essence oil around the eyes. Move the handle in circles under the eyes. Lift from beneath the eye to the temple. Elevate the eyebrow with the handle. Lift from the eyebrow to the forehead. Repeat on the other side. Electric roller improves skin firmness while boosting absorption. Settings. Energy 3. Time 10 minutes. Pattern 1. Gently apply serum to the face. Glide the roller from the chin towards the edge of the face. Soft light activation stimulates collagen production. Settings. Luminance 1. Strength 3. Time 10 minutes. Pattern 1. Gently apply gel to the face. Glide the handle from the chin towards the edge of the face. Repeat on the other side. Apply a mask to the face. Remove the mask and cleanse the face. Apply toner, essence, eye cream, and facial cream. Schedule 1 session per week, with a complete treatment course consisting of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnancy and lactation, heart disease or wearing a pacemaker, unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery phase, epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, skin or infectious diseases.